Number 1. Knee to chest. Laying on your back, gently pull your knees to your chest, holding for a second, then extending your arms back out straight. Hold for 20 seconds, repeat 5 repetitions, perform 3 times per day. Number 2. Knee rotation. With your feet on the ground, bend your knees and gently move them from side to side in a windscreen wiper motion. This exercise for lower back pain works by gently rotating your lumbar spine. Rotate to each side 10 times. Perform 3 times per day. Number 3. Extensions. Laying on your stomach, gently press up and extend your lower back. Do not hold this, but repeat the movement 10 times for 3 sets, 3 times per day. If this stretch feels too strong, you can adjust it by resting on your forearms. Number 4. Lower back rotation. Tuck one foot behind the other knee, then gently pull your leg across. Hold the stretch for 20 seconds, repeat 5 times each leg, and perform 3 times per day. Number 5. Cat-cow. Start on your hands and knees, gently curve and flatten your mid-back 20 times. Number 6. Child's pose. Start with your knees apart and toes touching. Reach out in front of you and sit your bum back towards your heels. Hold this pose for 30 seconds, repeat 5 times. Number 7. Foam rolling. Foam rolling can be a great part of exercises for lower back pain. Place the foam roller under your mid-back, keep your backside on the ground, gently extend your spine backward. Hold for 30 seconds at a time. Number 8. Pelvic tilts. Laying on your back, arch your lower back, then flatten it into the ground. Perform this 30 times. Number 9. Spiky ball roll on glutes. Use a spiky ball to roll out tight muscles in your buttock. Roll the ball around the fleshy part of your buttock for 30 to 60 seconds at a time. Number 10. Hip flexor stretches. This will stretch out the front of your hip. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, repeat 5 times each leg. Number 11. Thread the needle. In a similar position to downward dog but on your knees, reach your arm through to give your mid-back a stretch. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat 5 times each side. Number 12. Hamstring stretches. Lay on your back, with one leg bent and one leg in the air with a stretch band around your foot. Hold for 30 seconds, repeat both legs